Have you ever met? You look at this market information, suddenly sent a message, then you go buy stocks right away. You tend to lose money. Do you know why? Welcome to a great way to trade on Wall Street. All our methods now are subjective quantitative real trading course, very useful for your real deal. Today, the subject of the course is the anti-human trade, market information and price evolution. I'll just ask, our friends, our fans. Have you ever met? You look at this market information, suddenly sent a message, then you go buy stocks right away. You tend to lose money. Do you know why? Just because. Market information and this mask at this price. The process is more complicated. We must know this. The price and market information you bought now. It must be in some stage. You can handle this well. Rising and falling stocks. All the methods we use now. It's all reverse thinking, anti-retail thinking in our long empty thinking. You not only have to do more, and also a kind of thinking of shorting. All our methods are pure price trading now. Today's video is a bit longer than the comparison, but I believe after you listen, must have benefited a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to me now. You can find me this video later. Enlightenment stage and fermentation stage and determination stage is a very important step. It depends on whether we can do it later. Put this our stock can, hold at a very high price, then sell. Including us in the process, how to throw high and suck low at different stages, how to do short term. To increase our lucrative one profit. So that we are now. I'll tell you in detail now. Our 3 stages, how did he behave? Note that my method is Wall Street, a mainstream approach. As long as you overcome your greed in humanity, overcome this human weakness, I tell you, you're not too far from making big money. And now we're talking about the first stage, this enlightenment stage called information. Enlightenment stage of information. He mainly knows you, they all know. He is often a message with this insider. What about insider information? He has the biggest problem. Only a few can master. And this is why so few people have mastered. Because of this thing has only a few abilities to analyze. The second one can also be obtained. Insider information on some policies in some countries. This stage. He showed. What is it? Washing dishes is very, very fierce. That is to say, this whole body of his is what we call the band. It tends to go sideways at the bottom. Just don't go up. The whole time will be very long. Very long. His place, his stage of enlightenment. He expected. Is he mainly so clear? Not clear enough. Because of this information he needs why not clear enough? Because we know the stock is going to have a continuous rise. Continuous skyrocketing. He has to have a lot of people involved. No, it's not just insider information involved. And our fund company also participate in the transaction to reach a very high level. So we don't want this place. Have great expectations. This stage, don't hold a big one and say after I buy it. This stock is about to go to the sky. This is unlikely, but at this stage, we are a medium and long-term investor. He can't hold a position, because this is at this stage. You can't make money at all. Only short-term ones do this in this place. This quantitative transaction and our short-term investors, he can often make money. And now we're talking about our second stage, a fermentation stage called an event. In the fermentation phase of the event, many fund companies will gradually begin to participate. Then the whole price of it. It's always on a wave going up. That's about it. So I'll draw you again. It's a wave up. But what about his long price? Every time he hits a new high, he doesn't grow very tall, then come back down. It's at this stage, he has shown a strong expectation. But he is still not strong enough to expect. At this stage, short-term quantization. Short-term this investor, he is easy to put stock. Sell directly. But as our mid-tier investor, he tends to be more successful, especially our experienced mid-tier investor. He will do high throws and low draws at this stage. For example, I buy low and sell high. Buy low and sell high. It's easy for him in this place. Made a lot of money. You know, and then the third. It's us. Confirmation stage of market information. Then the confirmation stage of market information. After him, obviously a lot of people are starting to trade, because everyone knows the whole information. All real-world friends know. Then most people will trade. Then at this stage you will find his entire band is very strong. Maybe always. The direct price is directly from one band. The bottom of the band directly pulls up to the sky, directly rises to the sky. But at this stage, is he mainly performing? It's his, the whole price he will accelerate the bubble. See, that's what we said. This market, it may reach a stage. Probably a top of the year, get it? But at this stage, whether you are a short-term trader, or are midline traders, or are long-term investment trader, anyone who buys can make money. But what will happen to him here? I mean this place. You may sell your stock early at any time. Get it? So for the whole performance. Then we are in this place. Just use. For our market sentiment. His market popularity is very, very strong. Because I don't know if the price can go up below. Where did it go up to? Right. Generally speaking, an industry develops rapidly from enlightenment to the back. Confirmation to the rear height. Often this price will go up for a very long time. Then this confirmation stage, he often grows 2 to 3 months. Under normal circumstances, but early, his price must grow very fast. Very soon, it will take 2 or 3 months. Confirmation phase. This part of the profit is very, very large. That you are in the enlightenment stage and the fermentation stage. Not as much money is made as in the confirmation phase. Because the ratio of making money here is often 1 to 3. All your previous positions, you probably only made $10,000. Then this confirmation stage after that, you might make $3,000 to $50,000. You know it's scary, so when we place an order, must be clear. The stock you are doing now, what stage is he in? That's in the enlightenment stage. Then we must be doing short-term. It is better to pay attention to short-term high throwing and low suction. What about the fermentation stage? Then we must pay attention here. Day level high throw low suck. Then confirm what you think. Then we have to figure out a way. Go get our list. Take it as our position. Try to sell at a good price. See, so we're here, but when we do, because the information is in the entire transaction, he is very, very complex. Especially this one of ours. Ordinary investor, inexperienced investor. Of course I said, especially just entering this market. Only 2 or 3 years of experience. Be sure not to look at the information and go directly to the transaction. And what is best? After you see the information, analyze it. Because now we have artificial intelligence. We have our AI again. Then our AI. Yeah, let's check it out. How did he get to the current market? What kind of situation? Then we have a general understanding. How should we trade now? It can't be said that after we buy the stock, what about it? For example, you bought it in the enlightenment stage. You want him. One step up to the sky, this stock believes. Among trading investors, from the perspective of quantitative field, hey, he can't. Stocks rarely have such a rise, because in this case, we may really be a once-in-10-year market. You know what? Then when we know the once-in-10-year market, then we might be able to follow a once-in-10-year market to trade. But I'll tell you a little more about it now. In these 3 stages, some stages can be combined. So let me give you an example. Enlightenment stage and fermentation stage. He can do both at the same time. I'll take a very simple example, because in particular in which case, involved in this national policy, such as this national policy, just released and will be implemented soon. Then this happens to enlightenment and that's it. Fermentation goes on at the same time. Is there this? Enlightenment and fermentation and confirmation is controlled in 3 stages. There are also, but this order of magnitude is very, very rare. Did you find out? We buy this stock a lot. Did you say from the bottom of this? This is the price. It's been down for 3 or 5 years. Then did you say that as soon as I bought it? Immediately the V-shaped big reversal. Up to 2 or 3 years. I believe not. Very few. He must still be at a stage. A stage. Go up the hill. Go up gradually. That's all I'm sharing today. Thank you very much.